A good time to identify a good fund manager for your portfolio is during tough operating environment times. And you want to know, are they able to pick winning stocks even when the market is not in their favor? And the last 5 years have been extremely difficult. Anybody who decided to invest mirroring the FTSE 25 index would have made a cumulative return of 25% over a period of 5 years. That translates to about 4.9% in Kenya shilling per annum. A return that I consider to be too low given the risk that one takes by investing in listed securities. For foreign investors who was mirroring that particular index would have made a return of about 5% because we had a weakening of the currency of about 19% during that 5-year period, which again is not a commensurate return for someone who is investing in listed equities. What were some of the reasons why we had an tough operating environment? Number one, we had 2 elections in 1 year, so there was a lot of wait and see attitude in that particular year. We've also had a very unique 5-year period where 3 out of 5 years we can call them as bearish years, where prices in the markets were generally declining. Another reason is just the emerging market sell-off that we are witnessing in 2018. From April this year, we saw Trump trigger trade wars with China, and that has not gone very well with investors. Therefore, investors have been withdrawing money from emerging markets and frontier markets and taking them back to what they perceive as safe havens. US also has been on the rebound, has been strong. The dollar has been strong, so making it really a good place for investors to invest, and that has caused the prices generally to decline in emerging markets and frontier. So we challenged ourselves, we asked ourselves, was it possible in the last 5 years to double your returns in the stock market? And we went out to look for what we call the top 5 stocks that one would have invested to double their portfolio over the last 5 period. And the findings will shock you. I would invite you, please just do your top 5 and let's compare notes tomorrow when I start unveiling our top 5 picks for the last 5 years. My name is Pius Muchiri Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.